The majority of us have gotten into the habit of reaching for our phones whenever anything goes wrong in order to either contact someone or consult Google. But if your phone gets into difficulty, what then? If you have an iPhone and suddenly see SOS or SOS only, what should you do? The good news is that we can assist with these easy corrections. You haven't accidentally activated any kind of setting. The SOS icon in the status bar may be deleted, by the way. How? Simply following along will lead you to the solutions. Why is SOS an iPhone-specific abbreviation? An SOS or SOS alone will appear in the top right corner of the screen in iOS 16, or the top left corner in iOS 15 and older versions, if your iPhone is unable to effectively connect to a cellular network. This means you won't be able to make or receive calls, send text messages, or use mobile data. You may contact emergency services such as 911 or other relevant authorities by using the SOS emergency service. Since you are obviously outside of the service region, that's the most likely cause. However, this function is currently only available in the United States, Canada, and Australia. Otherwise, the status bar will indicate that there is no service or searching. Now let's talk about how to repair the SOS only error message. Please take note that if you are seeing the no service error, the problem may be resolved as follows. Fixing SOS on an iPhone only if your iPhone's network isn't the issue. Try these procedures to disable SOS. 1. Cycle between turning off and on mobile data. A network problem might have left your iPhone in the SOS only mode. If you turn off cellular data and then turn it back on, it will try to establish a new connection and hopefully resolve the issue. The first thing you need to do is go your device's settings and choose cellular, mobile data. The second step is to disable mobile data by toggling the switch off. Step 3. After a little while, turn on mobile data by toggling the appropriate switch. As an alternative, you may bring up the control center and touch the cellular data icon there. If you wait a few seconds and then tap it, it will turn on. If the SOS alert still appears in the upper status bar, go to the next solution. Make data roaming possible. It's possible that turning off data roaming on your iPhone is what's causing the SOS feature to only work on that device. That being said, travelers should double-check this option before continuing their journey. Launch cellular, mobile data settings as the first step. The second step is to go to your phone's settings and choose the mobile data options. The third step is to activate data roaming. Upgrade to a 4G or LTE network. It's possible that your signal strength and connection may be impacted since 5G is not yet completely operating everywhere. If this issue continues, turning off 5G on the iPhone and staying with 4G is the best option. Reboot your iPhone exclusively to fix the SOS issue. It's the go-to solution that everyone recommends when anything goes wrong. Surprisingly, it also generally benefits us. Generally speaking, clearing the caches may address any network connection issues and problem in the settings. To turn off Face ID on an iPhone, press and hold the volume up, down button and the side button at the same time. Use the slide to power down your phone. You may access the power slider screen on an iPhone equipped with Touch ID by pressing and holding the side button. To shut down your smartphone, just move the power button to the off position.